Hi, it's Ike here at Bountiful Gardens in Ewing, New Jersey. We have some cold season vegetables, things like lettuces, cabbages, broccoli, beets, bok choy, parsley, strawberries behind me, even some fruit trees. All sorts of great things that you can start planting now that'll produce for the rest of the season and will really scratch that itch for you. So let's take a look at a few great options right now. One of the things we pride ourselves on here at Bountiful Gardens is the variety that we carry of vegetables. We've got all sorts of great cabbages in right now, for example, like the stonehead, the ruby ball, red cabbage, the Savoy ace cabbage, just so many options for you to put in your garden. We carry variety packs of lettuces that you can pop in the garden for a quick and easy salad right outside your door. If you're more particular about what goes into your salad, we of course carry 6 packs of individual varieties, things like spinach, kale, arugula, buttercrunch lettuce, red romaine lettuce, and watercress. Speaking of variety, we also have an unbelievable selection of fruiting trees in now. Things like pears, apples, peaches, plums, even more interesting things like cherry trees, Asian pears, and persimmons, which were requested really strongly last year, so I'm so excited that we finally have them. One of the great things about fruit trees is that they can actually be planted as soon as the ground thaws out, so if you really want to give them a head start for the spring and summer, start planting now. A lot of people associate strawberries with spring and summer, but actually if you start planting them now, that's the best way to ensure that you're going to have fruits for spring and summer. Strawberries are really cold hardies, so getting them in the ground now is the best way to ensure that not only do you have fruit in the summer, you might start having berries as soon as middle to end of April. Some of these are actually producing right now. We carry so many different varieties here, but most can be separated into 2 groups, the everbearing and the June-bearing. Everbearing is exactly what it sounds like. It's just going to keep producing fruit as the season goes on in an even pace. June-bearing usually just means that it's going to produce the most of its fruit around summertime. For the best results, I usually recommend planting them up in a raised bed or in a potted container. That way you get the plant to hang down and let the berries really form evenly on the plant. Even though it's still going to be chilly for a couple more weeks, cold weather vegetables and fruit trees are a great way to get your garden started and get you excited for spring and summer and all the great things you can plant ahead. As always, if you like this video, be sure to like it down below and leave a comment if you had any questions about any of the plants I showed or suggestions for videos in the future. And of course, subscribe to the Bountiful Gardens YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this in the future. Thanks!